What's really inside prefab homes? Today you'll step inside and see for yourself. From sleek interiors and clever storage to layout ideas that make small spaces feel big. Whether you're curious about the lifestyle or looking for inspiration, this is your chance to see what living in a prefab home actually looks and feels like. What happens to the value of a prefab home over time? This is a huge question for anyone thinking of investing. For a long time, there was a stigma, and people worried they wouldn't be able to sell it on or that it would lose value, but the market perception has totally shifted. People are actively seeking them out. The key is to ensure your home has all the proper certifications, like a 10-year structural warranty from a recognized provider. So what's the real future here? It's not about prefab replacing traditional building entirely. It's about it becoming a key part of a more hybrid approach to construction. We might see traditionally built ground floors with prefab upper stories craned on top. We'll definitely see more and more complex prefab extensions and garden rooms, but the biggest leap will be in platform-based designs. Think of it like the car industry. Companies like Volkswagen use the same basic chassis or platform for lots of different cars, from a Skoda to an Audi. Prefab companies are starting to do the same, developing a standardized, highly engineered structural platform onto which you can put almost any style of house. The trend now is towards net zero prefabs. Because the shell is so efficient, it's much easier to get to net zero energy by adding solar panels and other green tech. It's the perfect platform for a truly sustainable home. Did you know that some of the most famous prefab manufacturers are from countries like Germany and Sweden? They have been perfecting this for decades, and their engineering is just top tier. They often ship these homes all over the world.